Good morning, everybody. Market keeps going higher, and we are very close to make an all-time high. All right, let's see what's going on. So pre-market right now, we are kind of flat on the indexes, but and next week we have FOMC. Yesterday market opened. As soon as it opens, after it was a little bit in a small, jumped up a little bit, small range, then it fell, and then it went up again, and then midday we run up. So could be a possibility happen same again today. Um, so pre-market right now there's a mixed signal. 1 hour is still pointing down. We got a golden cross midday that on the jump up that we got. So if it happens again, if you see 1 hour MACD golden cross, if you see 30 and 1 hour MACD golden crosses, we can have another run up. In general, we're still very bullish on the 4 hour. Good morning, Amnon. 4 hour is still very bullish. We still don't have dark. We got a dark blue bar when we got a dip in the morning, but then again, because it bounced back, we got light blue bar. Until the 4 hour MACD is not dead cross, trend is up. Daily MACD is golden crossing. Weekly statistic fast is upward. Once weekly MACD golden cross, then another monster move can come in market. Well, what we'll see if what FOMC does. NQ, same thing like ES. 4 hour, we're getting a dark blue bar, kind of flat, a little bit weakening for now, but it's interesting that we got a first yellow bar on the daily TTM, and the MACD, daily MACD is golden cross too. Wait for the 30 MACD, 15 and 30 MACD golden cross. Once that does confirm, then we are good to go for another run up. Dow Jones, nothing exciting. RTY was interesting. Yesterday was 1% up, even the market wasn't so much green yesterday, before midday, but RTY was, and it's coming up. So we'll see if the rate cut is going to be positive for small caps. Daily MACD is curving up. DXY, still in the range. Nope, actually it went below range, and we'll see if it's gonna take down the low of the made on the August 5. The lower this goes, the higher text can fly up higher. 10-year, we got a yellow bar on the daily TTM. Pre-market a little bit upward, but hovering around 3.5 for now. So that one. VIX, keep an eye on VIX. If you see 1726 passes, it can jump back to 1812, and market can have a pullback. And same it did yesterday. It passed 1812, and then it got a little bit deep, but right away it pulled back. So that's a possibility, as I mentioned. It is possible, maybe some profit locking, maybe some. That's just keep in mind. Pre-market right now, 15:30, 1 hour is upward, 4 hours still pointing down. Daily MACD is dead cross. So in general, trend is down on weeks. 1726 if it passed, 1764, 1812. If 1812 passes, then you gotta be cautious. Bears can come back, but in general, trend market is up. Even if you go down, is a buy opportunity. 1639, 1586, next major level to watch on VIX. If it goes below 1586, more squeeze up for market. 1479, 1373, 1307, next major level. SPX. SPX next major level is 5612 and 5629. If it goes below 5584, gotta be cautious. Yesterday one time went below it, but it recovered. And yeah, so 5629 if we run up today. BTC, it's interesting that we got a daily MACD's golden cross. I like that one, but I don't like the TTM squeeze. Let's see what's gonna happen midday. Gold keeps ripping up. I will show you on the GLD. This keeps going higher. This is just a new all-time high and is in price discovery zone. Apple, interesting. 2 points gap up. Very bullish pre-market. Very, very bullish. 15:30, 1 hour is upward. 1 hour is golden cross. Is one of the top bullish names pre-market. 224.69 if it passed. We're looking at 225, 226.44. Above 226, we can go for a big squeeze up. 227, 228.72, and 230.13. Keep an eye on Apple at open. Um, Amazon broke out 180, 182, and run up to 188. 188.65 most likely is possible to touch it. but it's just getting a little bit choppy at this point. If 188.65 pass, we look at 190, 192, 195. If it pulls back, 185 is support. Below that, those are the levels. 4 hour, we're getting a TTM squeeze dark blue bar, so possibly it's gonna hover around the 188 for a while. We'll see. Nvidia, nice jump up last few days. Opening flat almost. Daily TTM, we get a yellow bar. Pre-market right now, 15:31 hour is a little bit pointing down. So it's hovering between, it's up and down between 118.68 and 120.24. Breaks either way, bigger move gonna come. If breaks 120, 120.24, we're looking at 122.76, 125.28. Below 118.68, those are the support levels to watch. AVGO keeps going up every day. Still don't have a dark blue bar. Yesterday it flashed one time, but then again, it's getting close to have a dark blue bar. Pre-market right now, 30 and 1 hour is up downward. So we'll see if it's gonna have a jump at open or profit locking. It's between 165 and 166 right now, up and down. Breaks 166.6. Next target is 168, 170.14. If Nvidia gets closer to all-time high, this one can too. Below 165, supports are 163 and 161 and 160. Coin is going up strong, is bouncing up strong. MACD is curved up. 4 hour very bullish upward. It's showing a lot of strength last few days. It's all about 163.69 again. Past that one, 167, 171, next major level. If it goes below 161.39, those are the support levels. Very wild name. Netflix was very interesting. It had a nice jump up at open yesterday. 4 hour, we're getting a dark blue bar, all about 684. Past that one, 690, 699, 708, next major level. Doubt it goes 700 today, but we'll see. Below 679, supports are 675 and 672. Pre-market not looking so bullish. Meta was very strong yesterday. It had a nice jump up. It was strong. It was not bad close. A strong close almost. But not sure. I didn't see any news after 7 a.m. start dumping. So 518 if you can hold it. 516, 515, and 514.2 is the next major level. 4 hour MACD is curved down. Pre-market right now 15:31 hours pointing down. So it needs to pass 520 for run up again to 522, 524. Yeah, this one it's failing this run up for now, but most likely it has a high chance to hit a new all-time high next week. I think so. Tesla just had a fall. 15:31 hours downward, 4 hours curving down. So if the 4 hour MACD dead crosses, it's not going to be good. In general, IVs jumped up last few days, last 1 week, 2 week, and long-term options are still holding up. The event, there is few events. There is earning on 10/16, I think, and then there is event on 10/10, and then there is a quarterly report of sales that they made on 10/01. So these are the events that's going on. A lot of October calls are coming in, and but for now, pre-market doesn't look so strong. 227.75, 226.39 supports if you can hold it. 223, 220, and 219. Need to get above 229.95 to run up to 232 again. Need to pass 235, 232.15, and 235 is strong for having another monster run up to 235, 237, and higher levels. Until then, it's possible just some up and downs. Microsoft and very nice midday run up yesterday. It broke out. Daily MACD is golden cross. We got TTM squeeze yellow bar. 4 hour we start getting dark blue bar, but 227.55 is a major level to watch right now. If it breaks it, then we're looking at 428, 430, and 432. Google nice gap up pre-market. It's all about 156.68. Pre-market right now 15:31 hour. 1 hour is near gold dead cross, so it's if you have calls overnight, consider locking gains at open. But in general, daily MACD is curved up. It's all about 156.68. Break that, we're looking at 157.743, 158, and 159.86. Those are the next major level. If it goes below 154.72, it fails and can go lower. AMD, a little bit gap up. 4 hours still not dead cross. In general, daily is upward. 152.41 is the next major level to watch. Above that, we're looking at 154 and 156.93. If it goes below 151, supports are 149, 147. This one can be wild. Yesterday it opened, it jumped, then it went down, and then it went higher again. So yeah, just keep that in mind. SMCI, still no 10K, all about 446. Past that one, 450, 453, 456, and those are the higher level. I like that the daily MACD is golden cross and you got a yellow bar and TTM squeeze. SPY not too far from all-time high. Next levels to watch is 561 and 563. Breaks those, we're looking at these are the next level at all-time high. 559.02 support level. If you can hold it, those are the next levels. QQQ all about 474.1. That's a very major level. Need to pass that strong for market run up or text run up. 474, 476, 479, 483 next major levels. If it goes below 470, those are the support levels to watch. Pre-market, as I said, on the NQ, 15:31 hour is pointing down, and the 4 hour we're getting a dark blue bar. So cautious on that. That's pretty much on the major names. IWM jumping up. That one having a gap up. So right now 214, 260.99 next major level. SMH 235 almost touch. 235.95. Next major level to watch is if it passed that one, 240, 248, 256. Needs semis to run up higher. Adobe earning messed it up. If Adobe was good, semis would have fly up higher. GS 4 hour MACD is golden cross, so it's trying to bounce up a little bit. 477 is the next key level to run up to the higher level. JP Morgan getting a little bit wild. Yesterday was going up, but then it had a sudden fall and then it recovered. So it's all about 208.08, past that one, 209 and higher level. MSTR, they added more Bitcoin, $1 billion. And next key level is 133 and 136. Gold keeps ripping up. This one, next major level is 238, 241. It's possible to come with this run up. And keep in mind, gold running up is not a good sign. Because people think maybe economy is weakening. What else? PanW, Adobe, 543 is a key level for recovery. If it goes below 534, lower levels are 523, 512, and 506. It's possible 500 to come next few days with this big dump. ARM 3 points higher. That's interesting. So ARM 144, 146 next major level there. And ORCL. This one keeps making new all-time highs. Next major level there is 188.63 and 196. Those are the next major target levels. 180 not impossible to come. If it keeps going like this, before next earning, 196 may come too. Boeing big dump on the strike, but is doing some recovery pre-market. Anyway, that's it pretty much. Thank you so much for tuning in and happy weekend and have a beautiful day.